Good morning. It's 666, June 6th of 2022. And today you're going to see a lot of posts online and a lot of talk about both extremes of that number. 666, the extremists. Either they're going to be love and light posts about everything that's great about the number, or the doom and gloom posts. So I just want to find a balance in the middle and share with you my view of the number and what today is. It is a balance, an invitation to find balance of the three main brains, and knowing that the path of liberation is to find that balance and to learn who you are outside of external stimuli or validation. So the three brains being our intellectual brain, where we can get imbalance when we over-intellectualize and see things as black and white or extreme, right and wrong, etc. And we get disconnected from our heart space, and we lack empathy and compassion. And you can see this happens a lot with people who are really intelligent, and they just really feed into that more and more. And then there's the people who are in the feeling brain, the emotional brain, which is more heart imbalance, where people focus more on love versus hate, liking versus disliking, and there's an imbalance there that leads to heart sickness and exhaustion. And then the third brain would be our instinctual brain, our sensation-seeking brain, the one that kind of drives us for pleasure seeking or to avoid uncomfortable sensation. And obviously for our safety, that's a helpful thing to have, but when it's in balance, we tend to go after things that could be addictive. We go after pleasurable sensation, and we start to go down a darker and darker hole because we are looking at sex and other stimuli to feel pleasurable sensations, again disconnecting us from our heart and our mind. So today is a good day to recognize any of those imbalances within us. I know I reverberate between all three, but over-intellectualization is probably my go-to more than anything else, maybe. So where can we find balance and liberate ourselves from our own ego, our own attachment to how we want to feel or think or see the world, and embrace everything with compassion? And when we find that balance, how do we share it?